How can glycerol help while dieting and feeling flat? Well, while dieting, you have a flat look because you have a lack of carbohydrates. The carbohydrates that lead to glycogen will create muscle fullness. Well, due to the fact that you're flat because you're trying to get ripped and lean, you're going to want to hyperhydrate instead. What does that mean? That means you're using something like EVP AQ, which contains glycerol along with other nitric oxide components that are going to help with pushing water into the muscle without carbohydrates, because it will be detrimental to use high levels of carbohydrates during the dieting process because it's going to hinder you from getting shredded. This way you can create that 3D muscle fullness without the extra carbohydrates that might lean towards not getting you as lean as you need to be.